Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by prepping the Moultrie card and reader. Power the camera off, remove the card door, and verify the SD type. This prevents file corruption. Once done, align the card with the notch so contacts face inward and gently push until the click. That confirms a secure connection. Make sure the battery has enough charge because unstable power during first read can write errors. These first steps set you up for clean transfers, so don't rush the insert. With the card and the reader, plug it into your computer using the correct port, USB-A or USB-C, and wait for the system to recognize the removable drive. Then open File Explorer or Finder. You'll usually see a drive labeled DSIM or Moultrie. Copy the entire folder to a local directory rather than moving files. This keeps a backup on the card until you verify transfer integrity. Once copying finishes, safely eject the drive. Finish by ejecting the removable drive from your computer. This ensures all data is written, so don't yank the reader out. If you plan to reuse the card in the Moultrie, power the camera off, reinsert the card, then format it in camera after confirming your files copied successfully. Formatting restores performance. If files are missing, check hidden folders and try a recovery tool. And if the card reports errors, replace it to avoid future data loss.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.